In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a cell to a text box in Microsoft Excel. This is a handy feature that ensures anything you type into a designated cell automatically appears in a text box. What's even better is that if you update that cell later on, the text box refreshes instantly with the new information. So let's walk through this process together. To begin, we first need to insert a text box. Head over to the Insert tab, conveniently located in the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. Among the available options, you'll spot the text box tool. Click on it and you'll notice your cursor has changed, indicating it's ready for the next step. Go ahead and click anywhere on your worksheet, then drag your mouse to draw the text box to your desired size. You can adjust this later, so no need to worry too much about getting it perfect right now. With our text box in place, it's time to link it to a specific cell. Begin by selecting the text box with a simple click. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the formula bar located at the top of the window. In this bar, type an equals sign. This action signals that you intend to establish a link with a cell. After entering the equals sign, click on the cell you wish to connect, for example, cell A1. To cement this link, press Enter. What you've just done is establish a dynamic connection. Whatever you input into cell A1 will now automatically reflect in your text box. Let's put this link to the test. Try typing any text into cell A1 and press Enter. Magically, or rather, thanks to Excel's impressive functionality, the text you entered appears instantly inside the text box. What makes this even more useful is if you decide to alter the content in A1 later on, the text box will seamlessly update to mirror the new changes without any extra effort on your part. This feature is incredibly beneficial for creating dynamic dashboards, detailed reports, or even labels that require real-time updates, providing a more efficient and streamlined workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to connect a cell to a text box in Excel. This straightforward yet powerful technique can greatly enhance your efficiency, especially when dealing with large amounts of data that require frequent updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comment section, and remember to subscribe for more insightful Excel tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch up with more exciting content in the next one.